60 degrees angle without the help of the protractor. In this video we will see all the procedures step by step. It is necessary to practice this process to solve various construction problems. First, with a scale and a pencil, a straight line is drawn in the middle of the page. Its two endpoints are named O and A. Next, a pencil compass was taken. A circle arc was drawn, with its tip of the spike placed at the point O. The arc of the circle intersects the straight line at the point X. Then another circle arc of the same radius is drawn, with the spike placed at point X. It intersects the previous arc at the point Y. Then align the ruler about the point O and the point Y, and draw a line segment between them. This line segment is named OB. Thus the angle AOB is a 60 degrees angle. Is it 60 degrees or not? Let's verify with the help of a protractor. Excellent.